How to improve reading skills? Improving reading skills requires practice, patience, and effective strategies. Setting goals and tracking progress helps stay motivated. Practicing regular reading, choosing diverse materials, and using skimming, scanning, and previewing techniques enhance reading efficiency. Taking notes and summarizing content reinforce comprehension. Discussing readings with others and seeking feedback foster deeper understanding. Effective reading skills unlock a world of knowledge, improve critical thinking, and expand vocabulary. By incorporating these strategies, readers can overcome reading challenges and achieve academic and professional success. Consistent practice and dedication lead to improved reading skills, enabling individuals to navigate complex texts with confidence. Aim and functions of the text. The aim of the text refers to the author's intention or purpose, such as informing, persuading, or entertaining. Functions of the text include informing, persuading, entertaining, analyzing, or critiquing. Understanding the aim and functions helps readers grasp the text's purpose and relevance. Recognizing the author's aim enables readers to approach the text with the right mindset. Identifying functions facilitates effective communication and comprehension. Analyzing aim and functions enhances critical thinking and text analysis skills. Organization of the text. The organization of the text refers to its structure and arrangement. Effective organization enhances comprehension and readability. Key elements include introduction, body, and conclusion, headings, subheadings, bullet points, transitions, and visual aids. Clear organization facilitates author's purpose and engages readers. Well-structured texts guide readers through complex ideas, promoting understanding and retention. Organization also aids writers in conveying their message logically and coherently. Thematization. Thematization identifies and develops main ideas or themes throughout the text. It involves analyzing relationships between ideas, developing a coherent structure, and using transitional phrases. Effective thematization enhances text clarity, coherence, and readability. Thematization helps authors convey complex ideas logically and writers organize their thoughts. Readers benefit from thematization by easily identifying main ideas and following the author's argument. Thematization is crucial in academic, professional, and creative writing, ensuring effective communication and engagement.